everybody, it's Ashley from Posh Crochet Patterns. Today's video is this really cute 4-leaf clover. It's just one row, it's fast and easy. So let's begin. If you're interested in making this exact shamrock with this yarn is Premier Just Yarn worsted in the color leaf. It is a 4 medium weight yarn, and for the right gauge for this yarn we will be using a 5mm crochet hook. To begin, we need to make my magic ring. It's the easiest magic ring that you can make. Take the yarn, lay it in between your fingers, create a loop, insert the hook. We will chain 3. So it's 1, 2, and 3. Now we will crochet in the magic ring. We will make 1 treble, so we will yarn over twice, insert in the ring, we will yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Now we will make 1 treble 2 together in the ring. So we will yarn over twice, insert the hook into the ring, we will yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. With 2 loops on our hook, we will yarn over twice, wrapping it on our hook twice, insert into the ring, we'll yarn over, pull through 2, and this time we will pull through all 4. Chain 1, yarn over twice, insert in the ring, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. We will repeat another treble. We will chain 3, and we will slip stitch into the ring. We will chain 3. We will make 1 treble. Yarn over twice. We will make 1 treble 2 together. We will yarn over and pull through all 4. Chain 1, yarn over twice for a treble. We'll make another treble. chain 3, slip stitch into the ring, chain 3, and we will repeat the same process. Make another treble, we'll make a treble 2 together, we'll pull through all 4, chain 1, we will make another treble, we'll make another treble, chain 3, slip stitch into the ring, if you only want a 3-leaf shamrock, then you can go ahead and tighten it all the way and finish it off. But if you would like to make the 4-leaf shamrock, then I would continue. After the slip stitch, chain 3, we'll make another treble, just push it all together, we'll make a treble 2 together, we'll pull through all 4, chain 1, we'll make 2 more trebles, we will chain 3, and we will slip stitch into the ring, just pull that up so we don't lose our stitch. That yarn end for the magic ring, we're just going to pull and we are going to tighten. We will cut the yarn. We're going to insert our hook into that loop. Once your magic ring is tightened all the way and closed, take both yarn ends and pull through that loop. And you will pull both and tighten. And there you go. There's your 4-leaf shamrock, 4-leaf clovers. Isn't that neat? And that's what the back looks like. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.